Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. At first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Daniel Firdaus bin Lasli, and I'm from 2DK Section 2. And my supervisor is Dr. Wan Muhammad Bahri bin Wandaud. I would like to greet my panel 1 and panel 2, which is Dr. Nurul Ain binti Muhammad Said and Dr. Muhammad Faid bin Hayya. Okay, today I would like to present my project, which is Human Thermal Detection for Body Temperature, which IoT database and profiling. Okay. For the introduction, I would like to introduce you the IoT, which is Internet of Things. It is a series of neurons, internet-connected items that can gather and transmit data without the need for human interaction across a wireless network. And then the goal of this initiative is to keep the standard operating procedures from the government. And human thermal is significant since one of the signs of the virus is temperature exceeding 37.5 degrees Celsius. The normal body temperature is between 36 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius. The project I've been working for is a temperature scanner that can be connected with a phone to store the data. It does not need human effort and everything will run on its own. It is a technology that can make Malaysia COVID-19 cases decrease. Okay, for the project background is right now our world is having a critical problem, which is pandemic COVID-19, as you all know. And our government has already set a standard operating procedure, which is SOP, which among one of them is to oblige every promise to have a temperature scanner. And the temperature gun is having a lot of problem, like need human energy, times, and a cost to hire a person to take the temperature scanning place. And then there are also a temperature scanner which stand, but it still need a person to secure that place because it didn't alert if someone is above a normal temperature. And they also have a application like MySdata, but it didn't take any temperature data, so people can easily enter any premise, even they have a fever, not a normal temperature. And then my objective is to make a better temperature scanner than the other that sells in market, and then to beware a person if the temperature is not normal and go to consult a doctor. And then to design a project that can detect any temperature and can be displayed in the phone. And then also my project is to create a model using a sensor and Wi-Fi. This is my scope and limitation. Which is the scope is design the system circuit and code in the ID program. My limitation is a condition when the LCD display only human thermal body temperature. And then to create a portable temperature scanner that has built-in stands. And the scope is shows the ambient temperature, otherwise the object temperature. This is my list of component, which is MLX 90614, or we call non-contact IR temperature sensor, ASP32, and ultrasonic sensor. And then also has CD which I2C, and I also use buzzer. This is my project significance, which is to solve problem if any irresponsible person that want to go in the premise even they are not in normal temperature. Improve the security of the premise by the alarm buzzing on people with high temperature. And then no need to hire a person to maintain and take customers' temperature. Also, develop the use of IoT by using a phone to see the data of the temperature scanner. This is my project flowchart, which is at first we have to start, and then the SP32 connect with the phone by using Wi-Fi, and then the LCD will show the ambient and object temperature, also the distance. And then for the process is IR sensor detect the object and ambient temperature, and also detect ultrasonic sensor detect the distance of the object. Also, they have two decision of this project, which is if one of them is does object temperature above 37.0 degrees Celsius is and distance is near. If yes, the LCD will display high temp and the buzzer will beep for 4 seconds. And then if does object above 36 degrees Celsius and distance is near, if yes, the buzzer will beep for 0.7 seconds. And if it's no, it will show the normal, which is the LCD shows the ambient and object temperature, also the distance, and the end. Alright, this is my schematic diagram. As you can see, this is there's the wiring I've been done for this project, and this is my project outcome. This is the front view of my project, and as you can see, this is the MLX 90614, and this is the LCD which I have to see, and as you can see, this the distance and the object, and there's also the ambient will be shown after that. And this is my ultrasonic sensor, and this is the side view of my project, and as you can see, this is the port for the power supply, and this is the buzzer, and this is the nut for connect with the stands, and this is the example which device with the stand, and you can see we can attach with the stand. And this is my demo of the project. Hope you enjoy my demo of the project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present you my project diploma, which is human thermal detection for body temperature with IoT database and profiling. Alright, I will turn on the personal hotspot and wait for the connection. Okay, there's one connection, and as you can see at the LCD display, it's a scan your temperature here, and it will show the object and ambient, and it will detect the distance if the ultrasonic sensor detect distance. And also we can check the ambient and object temperature at the Blink app, which is I use the Blink app for this project. So if the object temperature scan above 36 degrees Celsius, the buzzer will beep for 1 second. The object temperature detect the temperature above 37.5 degrees Celsius. The buzzer will beep for 4 seconds. I will show you the example. I will take the soldering iron, and it will detect for the high temperature, and it will beep for 4 seconds.
Alright, thank you. This is hope you enjoy the video of my demo. And this is okay. Finally, this is the conclusion. This is the project execution went smoothly, and the project goal is taken into account and satisfied. This initiative will lead to the development of a novel technology. I was able to create and successfully execute a program for communicating with Wi-Fi and using the SPT2 and Arduino IDE. And my hope for the future, which is I hope my project got recognized by the Majelis Keselamatan Negara, which is MKN, and get cooperate with them to upgrade the application My Sejahtera into the next level application, and make my temperature scanner is given a place in the market as a product needed in every premise. That's all for my presentation. I hope you guys like it, and thank you. All my last word is kita jaga kita and keep maintaining the social distancing. Thank you.